Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify password manager browser extension permissions step by step clearly. Open your browser of choice. Navigate to the extensions or add-ons page. In most browsers, this can be found in the settings menu. Once on the extensions page, locate your password manager extension. Click on the extension to view its details. Find the section labeled Permissions. Review the list of permissions the extension requires. Common permissions include access to your browsing activity and data on specific sites. Consider whether these permissions seem reasonable for the extension's functionality. If a permission seems excessive, do some additional research. Search for reviews or documentation related to the extension. Check for any reports regarding privacy concerns or security issues. You can also visit the official website of the password manager. Look for information on how they handle user data and permissions. If you are still concerned, consider alternative password manager options. Once satisfied with the permissions, you may proceed to use the extension. Regularly revisit the permissions page to ensure they remain unchanged. Keeping your extensions secure is an ongoing process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.